Click Add New Role to start defining unique access for your team. Enter a descriptive name for the new role to keep permissions organized. Save your new role to tailor access for different users. Set permissions to give this role exactly the capabilities you want. Select all or some permissions with one click to empower this role instantly. Click Save to confirm your permission choices for this role. Go to All Users to add or manage account members. Add a new user and scale your team's capabilities seamlessly. Begin entering the username for the new team member. Input the email address to keep communications connected. Now enter all information within the required fields. Control message volume by setting an SMS daily limit here. Choose a role to match this user's responsibilities. Save to add your new team member and assign their role instantly.